Eto, panoorin ulit natin kung ano nangyari. There's a right hand.
And then,
Right counter.
nagkasabitan.
And then you watch the left hand of Yumir Marshall. That went through the defense, but it didn't connect.
Bumaba.
And then, there it is.
Oh.
That left uppercut. And down he went. Timber. Like a log. Falling down, the left uppercut. Just one punch by Yumir Marshall. You watch it again. It was just thrown with so much conviction.
Yeah, and we are so accustomed to this awesome display of power.
Ang ganda ng counter, oh.
Yes.
At saka nakita natin yung buhok niya, no? Sumabog eh. And then he just went down.
Crumbled.
Oo. He didn't have his legs.
Wala.
Completely.
Wala. Ano na lang talaga eh.
Now he's sitting down
Yeah.
on a stool, but every